Hello buddy, welcome back again with a new topic. So in this video we are going to reserve an external IP address for our virtual machine. But before begin this video, I want to explain a little bit about IP address. Basically, IP address stands for Internet Protocol Address. As mentioned in the name, it is an address which is used to connect devices. Let me explain in the simple words. Suppose your friend wants to meet you but doesn't know where you are living. He may ask you about your address. Then you give your address like 23 SD Road, Hoshiarpur, India. After giving this address to him, he can easily locate you. This living address is different for different person. Something like this done in the case of internet. Everyone is assigned an address. But since the internet is used by everyone, so different address of same format is assigned to every computer, mobile device and other electronic device on which you are running the internet. Let me explain its working. Basically, when you make a particular request on the internet, then the particular request is diverted to the IP address assigned to you and you are able to see the requested page on your screen. So we have two types of IP address. The first one is ephemeral or dynamic IP address and the second is static IP address. The ephemeral IP address comes with a lease time which is set on the server. This IP changes after the lease time expires or when the system reboots. Next we have static IP address, which is manually assigned to particular machine by the administrator but does not changes every time or after the system reboots. So I think it is enough for now. Furthermore, I will explain how the IP address works in the DNS video part. So let's reserve an IP address for our virtual machine. After creating the virtual machine, the unique IP address will be assigned to our virtual machine. Now we need to change the type of IP address from the ephemeral or dynamic to static IP address because we will reboot our virtual machine. So go to the navigation menu and search for VPC. Next, click on external IP addresses. So after that you will see your external IP and IP type which is assigned to ephemeral by default to our virtual machine instance. So click on ephemeral and change it with static. Here write the name of your new static IP. You can write anything. In my case I'm going to write instance 1 and click on reserve button. After that it will take few seconds to change its type. As you can see, the static IP address has been successfully assigned to our virtual machine. So it is enough for now. So see you in the next video with new topic.